Dogecoin is testing a crucial resistance level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We just broke over 1,600 Telegram members. If you guys are interested in my free trades as well as my free signals in terms of crypto, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see on Doge, we are testing a very key resistance level. And of course, we had a massive V-shaped formation play out. And for those of you that were part of Telegram channel, we managed to catch some very nice long opportunities. Now, I mentioned to you guys in the previous video on Friday the fact that we were going to be retesting around 0.13. A lot of folks were pretty upset about that mention, and of course saying that this is not a bearish zone, but we have to understand a few things. Number one, looking at Doge on the daily time frame, we were continuing to retest our 9 exponential moving average, but if you notice that we didn't test the 20 EMA the whole time, as well as the fact that you can see on the daily 0.13 was a crucial resistance. So technically speaking, it should have flipped on a crucial support zone, and that's why I was very hesitant looking for swing positions on Doge. Now that we've seen the retest and of course a candle close above our exponential moving averages, we know that Doge is ready for its parabolic run without any sort of major downtrend areas to pay attention to. Right now, all we simply have to do on Doge is the fact that we've already played the 4-hour time frame on the V-shaped formation. Now we simply just wait for 0.149, and of course once that level structure ends up breaking, we can ride the long into around 0.168 for the next major resistance. Looking at previous price analysis here though, you will notice that this level has been tested multiple times, and you guys already know the more times a resistance level is tested, the higher chances of it actually breaking. The whole point of looking for longs on Doge, or of course buying opportunities, is you want to be trading into that resistance. What that means is you want to be riding the long into the major resistance zone. If of course it ends up breaking, then you can continue with that trade setup. But what you don't want to do, which a lot of traders do at these zones, is start looking for shorting opportunities or of course counter trading themselves. The reason why you don't want to counter trade mostly on Doge is when you already have the daily setup looking extremely bullish. If you end up getting caught on a breakout trade, it might be a long time after where that trade setup comes back. And what I mean by that is if you look on the previous price analysis here, you will notice that Doge did end up breaking above the same zone that we are currently looking at breaking as around 0.149. And when it did happen, we saw a massive bullish engulfing candle hit around 0.168. So you are better off trading into the major resistance zones than you are counter trading yourself at the current resistance. I understand a lot of you guys look at Dogecoin and say this is too overbought and we won't break out. But Dogecoin is one of those coins when we see that breakout opportunity, it does end up being a massive trade take profit zone. But ideally on the daily time frame, just looking at the overall trend, the last resistance we really have right now is of course 0.168. You can see from previous price analysis, when we did end up breaking below, we retested that zone as resistance, and then we came back towards the downside. If Doge ends up breaking above 0.168, ladies and gentlemen, Doge is going to go on a parabolic rally where we can finally break out from all of these major resistance zones and then start paying attention to the highs of around 0.35 or of course even around 0.5. And before any of you jump ahead and say that is impossible, we have to understand that we are heading into a major bull market with Bitcoin nearing all-time high. We have to be very cautious with Doge as well, because if Bitcoin does end up rallying with Bitcoin or with all-time high, a lot of traders are going to see Doge as a psychological setup and assume the fact that if it hits 72 cents prior in the previous bull run, this can easily hit $1. So playing with narratives like that is of course extremely dangerous, and that's exactly why I've been mentioning to you guys that we are only looking for long trade setups on Doge. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in bio. I hope you guys have one.